Hi there. Thanks for watching my Google Trainer application video. My name is Amanda Peters. My background is that of a special education teacher who, since my student teaching, has been obsessed with technology because I've seen what a difference it can make in the lives of students with different abilities. My mission aligns with Google's. While Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, my mission is to provide training and support so our district's curriculum and information is universally accessible and useful to all students. I want to be a Google trainer to help educators make mundane tasks engaging, to turn ineffective teaching into powerful teaching, and make the impossible possible for students. As an instructional technology coach in a district for students with special needs, I enjoy helping educators and students overcome challenges. One of those challenges is helping students be more independent in writing or typing skills. Writing and typing are very complex tasks, and there's many reasons why a student might struggle to write or type. It might be a motor challenge getting in their way or a learning difference. But we don't want students to have to rely on adults to always help them spell a word or scribe for them to get their thoughts down on paper. And that's where voice typing in Google Docs comes in. Let's take a look at how it works. Here we are in a Google Doc. If we go up to the Tools menu, we can go down to the voice typing option and click on it. Now we have this nice big microphone appear. And when we click on it, it will type everything we say. That is, until I click on the microphone again. If you want to use punctuation, you will have to speak it. So let's see how we would add a period to this sentence. Period. That wasn't very hard, was it? Now, if we have a student who struggles using the mouse to navigate menus, if we go back to the Tools menu, we can see that we have a keyboard shortcut here too of Control, Shift, and S. For some students, this might be an easier way to activate voice typing and to turn the microphone on and off. Let's close out of voice typing to see how that would work. Now, if I press Control, Shift, and S on my keyboard, the microphone immediately turns on and records everything I'm saying. I will have to press Control, Shift, and S again to turn that microphone off. You'll notice when the microphone's off, it's gray, and when it's on, it's red. Thank you for your time and consideration. Take care now.